everyone, and thanks Ravit for reading the bio. This is Samisha. Actually, I am a commerce graduate, but more into electrical and electronics for the last 10 to 12 years. And we have been basically selling UPS systems for the last 8 years. We run a company called as Ritz Power Systems, which is based in Nagar, Bangalore. And we are the certified partners for Microtech UPS, then APC UPS, Luminous, which are the top 3 brands in India. And as UPS and batteries are a part of any business or any house, so it is required everywhere. And we classify this UPS into 3 segments. One is the residential segment, one is the office segment, and one is the retail segment. So when we are talking about residential segment, we do cater clients right from a 1 BHK apartment or a small house, wherein they just need around 1 light, 1 fan plus a laptop, to premium villas where people want to use even a AC or want to use a microwave and all the lights and fans of the house. And second, we do have office UPSs ranging from people using for 1 or 2 computers to corporates using up to 300 computers. And we have various brands of UPS depending on the client's requirements. For example, people just using around 4 to 5 computers, I would suggest them to go for a Microtech. But if people looking for around 100 to 200 computers, we pitch in APC or Emerson brand, which are far better compared to Microtech. And then we have the retail segment, especially like Big Bazaar or Metro and retail segments, wherein even though they have a generator backup, still they need a UPS for that 30 seconds of time so that people don't panic. So we have supplied it to Big Bazaar, wherein our UPS takes over immediately till the generator switches on. Then for any UPS to run perfectly, I think most of them are using UPS at their houses, but to a UPS to run successfully, there are 4 things which has to be there in the mind. One is the right capacity of the UPS, what is actually required for the house or for the office. The actual capacity of the UPS should be given. Then the right supporting battery for that particular UPS and the backup required. Generally what people do is, along with the UPS, just plug in some battery and give it. It doesn't function well. Then the perfect wiring for that house or the office, specially designed for the UPS application. Then the post-sales maintenance of the batteries, which is again very important, especially when it is maintaining of batteries. It has to be periodically maintained. Our main services which sets us apart from other UPS sellers is we educate the customer first. Before selling the product, we educate the customer what is his requirement and what is suggested for the customer, so that they can decide. Instead of we pushing some particular model to them, we educate them, this is the capacity of UPS required, this is the battery what is required. We help them understand the concept, then sell the product to these people. Now why Ritz Power System? Because everybody is selling UPS today. So what happens is, olden days, if you compare around 8 years or 10 years back, there were UPS manufacturers available in each cities, local UPS systems. And these people used to sell the UPS and they used to service them also. So the point of contact was very clear. The person who was selling itself was servicing the products. But today what has happened is, because of this new brands come up in the market like Microtech, Sucam and Luminous, these people sell nothing less than around 30 to 40,000 pieces in a month pan India. And people are used to buying UPS systems from online portals. Somebody buys it off the shelf from Tata Chroma or Reliance Digital. And today even electricians, plumbers are selling UPS. And our architects and interior people club in the UPS along with the package and sell the UPS. But what happens basically here is, nobody understands what is the client's requirements and what is the durability of the product. Because they're just selling it. Nobody is there for the post-sale service. Like interior people sell the UPS, their project is finished. So it is the customer who is actually suffering, if I'm not wrong. So what happens here is, we take care of the complete responsibility of the UPS functioning, the battery functioning, the electrical wiring. We do have an in-house electrician with us who takes care of the complete wiring. And the problems what people are facing nowadays is, see, like when people are buying it from the electricians or online, this one, they buy the UPS, install the UPS. But when the problem arises, what happens is, the UPS person blames it on the battery guy. that the battery is not functioning well. Then the battery guy comes into the picture, then he blames it on the UPS. He tells the UPS is not charging the battery properly. Both people are done, they put the blame on the electrician. They tell the wiring is not done properly. So end of the day, customer is suffering over here. So we take care of the complete responsibility of the UPS, battery functioning, the electrical wiring, everything together. So it is a one-stop solution for the customer. And in Bangalore, how we do the sales is, we do have a team of professionals working in, and once you place an order with us, anywhere in Bangalore, the product is delivered and installed on the same day. Maximum it is done on the same day, or maximum on the next working day. So it is 24 hours what we commit to the customers. And we do have options of cash. A person wants to pay it by credit card, it doesn't come to our office. We do have a EDC machine in our vehicles, equipped in our vehicles. So customer can swipe his card at his own doorsteps. And we have come up with a new e-commerce website called as upsbazaar.in, which is developed by our DigiTigers. And here we do accept online payments also. So customer is having all kinds of options. So he can make the payment by any kind of options. Our success stories are many, because we have more than around 4,000 plus customers in Bangalore and surrounding. I'd like to highlight two of our success stories recently. There is a customer in a place called as Chikkurupati, which is near Puskati. So he is actually an ice cream dealer, distributor over there in that area. So he stocks the ice creams in his shop and then again distributes it to the other villages. So what was happening is he had gone in for a small portable generator, but during the nights when the power cuts were high, so his freezers were not working, and end of the day his investment on the ice creams went for a toss. So we suggested them a 3.6 kVA commercial UPS with a set of batteries, wherein when his shop is closed in the night also, the freezers were running on the UPS. Usually people tell you can't connect refrigerators, ACs and all, but the desired capacity, if it is installed, it can be done. Then we have one more customer called as Mr. Afzal of Blue Hyundai. So he recently renovated his house and he has gone for imported equipments like your microwave, your refrigerator, which are imported from Korea and Germany. And they had a problem in one of the refrigerator within the first 5 days. That was due to power cuts, high current. So we have supplied them a servo stabilizer, which can take care of the entire protection for their electrical equipments. And we do sell this kind of stabilizer also for high-end premium houses. And I can connect everybody to Definer Builders, okay, which is one of my very close client. So if anybody wants to connect in Definer, I can connect them. Then Karnataka Police Training School, if anybody has a if anybody wants a requirement over there, we can connect. Dayanand Sagar College and St. Joseph College of Commerce. And my specific ask for today is any upcoming officers, your neighbors, your friends, anybody who requires a UPS, or if they want to change their UPS or get a UPS service, or they want any kind of advice when they're building the house, especially on the wiring part, we can give them free suggestions. Thank you.